Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to speed up your Windows 10 system with some cool techniques which you can follow whenever your laptop or PC gets slow. So let's get started. So we will start with some basic cleaning, and to do that just go to the search bar and type run. Now click on the search result run. So a window will appear. Just type temp in the window and click on OK button. You will see a lot of temporary files in this temp folder. Just press Ctrl A to select all these files and press the delete key on your keyboard. Click on yes button. Now again go to the search bar and type run. Click on the search result run. Now type %temp% and click on OK button. Now press Ctrl A to select all the files and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Click on yes. So there will be some files that will not get deleted. So just check this box and click on skip button. Now press Windows along with the R key on your keyboard. So this will open the run window, and now in the run window just type prefetch and click on OK button. Now press Ctrl A to select all the files and then press the delete key. Click on yes. So you can see that the recycle bin is now filled with temporary files. So you can just click on it, right click over it and click on the option empty recycle bin. Click on yes. So all the temporary files are now deleted. Now moving forward, just go to the search bar again and this time type disk cleanup. Now click on the search result disk cleanup. Click on OK button. Now select all the checkboxes. Now click on OK button and click on delete files button. So this technique will clean your C drive. Whenever you start your laptop or PC, there are certain applications that get started along with the Windows, and they sort of slows down your Windows startup process and also slows down your PC. So we need to stop them from starting along with the Windows. And to do so, what you have to do is just go to the taskbar, right click over it and click on the option Task Manager. Now go to the Startup tab, and these are the applications that get started along with the Windows. Now we will disable all the applications that are not required to start at the Windows startup process. So you can see that this Skype application is enabled. So we will select it and click on the disable button. So it is now disabled. So now it will not start with Windows. Similarly, we can click on this one and click on disable button. Now we will click on this Java update scheduler and click on disable. Now you can let other applications like Windows Defender and those of antivirus applications run along with the Windows as they are required. So don't disable them. So just disable the unnecessary applications. Now we will close this window. So after disabling all the unnecessary applications, just go to the search bar and type control panel. Now click on the search result control panel. Click on uninstall a program. Now make sure you keep only the necessary applications in your system and uninstall the applications that you are not using. So you can see that this is one of that kind. So we can just click on the unnecessary application, right click over it and click on uninstall option. Again click on uninstall button. Now it will ask you to reboot. Just select the second option, I want to manually reboot later, and click on finish button. So you can see that the application is now removed. Likewise, you can uninstall the other unwanted applications also. Now after doing all these steps, just restart your system, and after restarting your system will become fast. So these were some of the techniques or steps that you can follow to speed up your Windows 10 system. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.